Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today I'm going to be giving you a 360 exterior and interior tour on this Land Rover Discovery 3 litre SDV6 HSE Luxury Edition. This car is an Indus Silver. All our approved used cars come with a 12-month warranty and 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you'd like to inquire about this car or ask about any finance packages or to get a personalised quote, you can contact us on 01785 899 446. So to start off with, let's take a look at the exterior and interior first before heading inside for some of those high-tech features. You have your LED daytime running lights. You also have 22-inch alloys and a 5 split spoke design with a satin grey finish. Panning up the car, you can see the black roof rails, allowing you to have extra storage if you were to get a roof box. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can see that there are ISOFIX fittings and there are headphones and a remote control, as this car has a digital TV display in the back of the headrests. This is good for those long journeys, especially for smaller children, keeping them occupied whilst on those long trips. Taking a look at the boot now. This is in fact a very spacious boot, so it's good for if you were going on holidays. You could fit 2 to 3 large suitcases in here. This car does in fact have a 7-seat configuration as well, allowing you to carry those extra passengers. You simply put the seats down or put them back up again by a press of a button, allowing you to carry more passengers. The boot is also an electric boot, good for if you have your hands full. This car also has privacy glass in the rear. Taking a look at the front cabin now. You can see the lovely leather steering wheel with your integrated multimedia screen. And this lovely black perforated Windsor leather seats with the contrasting white stitching. This car also has a fixed sunroof. That's our exterior and interior tour done. Let's head inside for some of those high-tech features. So the front seats in this car are in fact memory seats. This is good if this car will have multiple drivers. You can set 3 different memories for these seats. Taking a look at your display, this car has done 17,433 miles. You're also able to change your information panel, whether that be to show the media or a map. This car also has head-up display, which is good on those long journeys. It enables you to keep your eyes on the road and still allow you to see what speed you are travelling at. You can have other things on your information panel, such as driver assistance too. Taking a look at your multifunctional steering wheel, you have your heated steering wheel option, your lane assist, your speed limiter, as well as your customization button and your hands-free controls. Moving to your integrated multimedia display now. This car has 360 surround cameras, allowing you to see every angle of the car when manoeuvring in those difficult situations. Allowing you to see things which could potentially be in your blind spot. This car also has a navigation system, good for if you travel a lot, allowing you to get to your destinations the quickest route. Your Bluetooth connectivity, your DAB radio. This car also has Apple and Android Auto. This car also has a deployable tow bar, good for if you need to tow things. As well as ambient lighting, so you can change the colour of the lights. When you press the seat button, heated seats do come up on your screen as well. The front seats are heated and cooling seats. Good for those cold winter months and hot summer months. You also have 2 cup holders hidden away nicely to keep the sleekness of this design, as well as a storage compartment, which is handy to have. Thank you for watching this video. All our approved used cars come with a 12-month warranty and 12 months 24/7 roadside assistance. If you'd like to find out more about our finance packages, or to even ask for a quote or to book a test drive, you can contact us on 01785 899 446.